Someone turned $27 into $1 million in days with Pepe. Another one, $69 to becoming an AI millionaire, the incredible meme coin that made this man rich. Question: how are these guys doing this? Well, the answer is pretty simple. There is something they know that you probably do not know. It all boils down to being able to spot these meme coins early enough and then selling them when they move. This is not rocket science, anybody can do it. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you, how you can spot cryptocurrencies, meme coins early enough and then sell when they are on the moon already. So I'm going to be showing you the smart way of doing this, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Plus, I'm going to be giving you free tools that can help you do this so that you and I can become that next crypto millionaire. Are you pumped for this video? I am ready. Let's do this. So the first thing you're going to have to do would be to go to CoinGecko. You can also do this on CoinMarketCap. You're going to search for any crypto that people claim have turned them into overnight millionaires. For example, everybody knows about the Pepe story, how it turned a lot of people into overnight millionaires. This is not the only one. We've got a lot of them out there. For example, we've got the Jesus token, the Refund coin, the Mong coin, the Capo tokens. When these coins were at their all-time highs, a lot of people turned little investments into hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of US dollars, right? So what you're going to do is to come down here. I want to show you something very interesting to see. Over here, we can see this is the chart of the Pepe token. This represents people who got in at this price, and you can see people also got in at this price. While others got in at this price, people got in at this price, and others also got in at this price right here. What do you think about those who got in at this price here when the chart was looking almost flat? They probably know something you didn't know. And what happened when the price got up to this region? They started offloading their bags, and that was why you can see this slight correction. And what happened? They probably didn't sell all, and as you can see, when it moved up to this height right here, what did they do? They took profits. As you can see, that was like around the 5th or 6th of May. They sold before it started crashing. So those who bought at the top would have already missed out of this opportunity, because what happened next, the price started nosediving, and it's been nosediving since. So they are probably in a serious loss. So if we check this region, that's like around the 26th of April 2023. Fast forward to the time of filming this video, that's close to about 60 days, 59-60 days. So I want you to take note of this date, because we're going to be doing something with this. But you know what is interesting to also notice? We can see that right about this region was like on the 18th of April. People got in probably before it got listed on CoinGecko. Those people are also going to be massively in profit if they head up to this point here, or even up to the 5th when it moved to 1.5 or even close to $2 billion in market cap. So what we're going to be doing now is to find these addresses that bought during this period here, like 60 days ago, judging from the time of making this video. So how I'm going to do that is to come over to this place where we have the contract of this Pepe token. I'm going to copy that. Then you're going to come to this free tool here. The link is going to be in the description. Once you're here, you're going to select the chain of the token in question. In this case, we're dealing with Pepe. It is on the Ethereum chain. You click on Ethereum, and you're going to key in the number of days. Like I said, it was like 60 days ago or 2 months ago. You're going to put 60 there, or 59, and then you're going to paste that contract address you just copied and click enter on your mobile device or your computer, whichever one you're using to search. And all of these details are going to be displayed, as you can see right here. Just pay less attention to all of this and come down to this place where it says top 100 trades by estimated profits. This is where you're going to be paying attention to. You can see right here that this gives you all the wallets that got into this project. As you can see, that made profit, top 100 wallets. You can see all of these wallets, right? So this is what we're going to be doing. You're going to be clicking on each of these wallets to find the one that is not an MEV bot. For example, say we click on the first one there. So that's going to bring us to Etherscan. As you can see right here, this is a MEV bot. Okay, so you don't want to study an address that has this right here. So this is not a human. So I'm going to find an address that belongs to a real human. So what you can do is to still scroll down, okay, and find any address that is not an MEV bot, right? If you want to know what that is, those are bots that are used to do some shady stuff in crypto. You can Google that to learn more about what they are, okay? So as you can see, I'm on the second page, and on the second page, let's check this one here, the last one right here. If you click on that, so you can see it doesn't say anything about bots here. So this is the kind of address you want to study. So what you're going to do is to click on this copy icon here to copy this address. So the address I just copied is one of the addresses that got in at this price level here. Remember, they know something you probably didn't know. That was why you didn't invest that little to make a lot of money at this peak here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this tool here. The link is also going to be in the description, and you're going to paste that address here and click on the search button. It is going to show you all this stuff here. As you can see here, I already have it pasted. So what I'm going to do now is to switch from here to history. I want to find out when this guy right here with this address first got into PEP. So what you're going to do is then start scrolling down to find the first time they got into this PEP. Of course, you can see this is PEP logo. So want to go down to find out the first time they first got into this PEP. Just follow me closely. You're going to learn a lot from this video. So as we can see right here, on the 14th was the first time this address here got into PEP, on the 14th of April. And as you can see, they only spent about 0.1 ETH, worth about $210 US to buy PEP. As you can see right here, this was the quantity of PEP they got by swapping around $210. If we go down here, you can see we don't have any more PEP down here. So this was pretty much the first time they got into PEP. So next thing I want to show you, watch closely. On the 16th, just 2 days after they bought on the 14th, just 2 days after they started selling their PEP. And guess how much? $210 now. They swapped a portion of it for $9,000, about 4 ETH. Swapped another portion of it for about $8,000. Look at what's happening here: $7,000, $6,000, $10,000, $14,000. And the next day they also swapped about $6,000 worth of PEP. They were basically selling. And if we go up here, we can see they just kept selling. They just kept selling and raking in thousands of dollars. $2,000, $5,000, $5,000, $4,000, $4,000, $13,000, $4,000, $6,000, ladies and gentlemen. And what I find fascinating about this wallet is that they kept selling. As you can see, they just kept selling. You can see all those green logos here. They kept selling PEP. They kept selling PEP. They were just selling PEP. And this was the last time they sold PEP. Guess the date. They sold PEP on the 5th of May. So how come they got in here and held those tokens, were taking profits, gradually taking profits, while Pepe was going to the moon, and finally when Pepe was on the moon, they did what? They took profits and didn't buy again. So it's either this guy was lucky or he knew something that most of the people who got in here, believing that Pepe was going to keep mooning, didn't know. So I also found out that it wasn't just PEP. They were also making money from another project, another meme coin. As you can see right here, they got into this project here with this sticker symbol, XAI project. What would you call that token? And they got in on the 14th. Same day they got in on PEP. Notice what happened. Remember, they spent $421, and on the 15th, as you can see right here, on the 15th, they did what? They sold part of their XAI tokens for $7,000. Can you beat that? $421, and in a few hours turns to $7,000. And if we come back to the previous website, we can see that they spent about $210 on PEP on the 14th, just like I already showed you. And what happened? You can see right here, estimated profit about $6 million US. So this is just incredible. $210 turned to $6.4 million US. So this is exactly the point I am trying to make in this video. If you can find these wallets just the way I have shown you and follow these wallets, whenever they buy tokens, you buy. There's a high chance that you're gonna make this kind of money. And notice I am showing you a wallet that only invests a little amount of money into these meme coins. because I don't want to show you those ones that have millions of dollars in their wallet. You might not be able to throw in millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars into meme coins. So I'm showing you something that is doable. This guy invests just little, $210. That's what he invests. Look at the other coin I told you about, $421. Little amount of money, and turns them into thousands and thousands and millions of dollars. So you want to find profitable wallets like this and follow them. Okay, of course they are always going to make a loss somewhere along the line, and that's going to be part of the school fees you have to pay for following such wallets. Okay, but the thing is, when they do make a profit, if you're following them, you are also going to make similar profits. So now think about it. How did this wallet here know to get in at this time on the 14th? Probably they were monitoring another wallet, just what I'm asking you to do now. And when the wallet aped in, they decided to just throw in $210. You could also do the same thing. So one thing you can do is to find a bunch of these wallets. Once you found them, the ones that are profitable, what you're going to do is to click on this add button here. You can see add wallet. If I zoom that in, you can see it says add to watch list. You're going to click on that. And boom, you can see that the wallet is about to be added. As you can see right here, it's already added to our watch list. So this website, the link is going to be in the description. You are going to bookmark this website. Whenever you log in, you make sure you monitor the wallet to see what they are doing. You come to history, that's going to show you what they are doing. As you can see right here, if I check here, their last trade was on the 10th of May. They have not aped into any project recently. As you can see, this is it for this video. This is Briggs LBs, and it's your guy Ken signing off.